Hello guys, and welcome to my video. Today we are opening up this Orbeetle V box, and I already opened it up, so you don't see me struggle in the video with the package. So let's see what we get inside. Let's get this plastic out of the way. Oh my god. Yes, this is the first one. It's always a struggle a little bit. I don't know why. So first off, we got this Orbeetle V Pokemon card promo. Sword and Shield number 87. And then we got the code card for you guys. Let's get this out of the way. Then we have the Jumbo Orbeetle promo card. Very cool looking. And then we got the 4 booster packs. 2 Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage. 1 Burning Shadow. And 1 Darkness Ablaze. So pretty good collection of packs. 3 from the new sets and 1 old one, but it's Burning Shadow, so that's always nice. It's not like Steam Seeds. But let's open the first package. Let's see what we get inside. Promo card for you guys. It's 4 from the back, I believe. Yes. Boba Fett, Trainer, Survivor, Ladybug, Cutiefly, Horsey, Venipede, Sneasel, Aerocross for the reversed. Oh, GX, our first ultra rare for the first pack. Very cool looking card. Let's see it from the back. The centering is a little bit off, a little bit here, a bit, I think. But it's perfect. Let's put it right there. And let's get straight into this Darkness Ablaze pack. We leave the Vivid Voltage for last. Code card for you guys. 4 from the back. Fighting Energy, Hitting Energy, Fletch Finder, Rita, Teddy Ursa, Panzer, Marlul, Wishy Washy, Cuffland, Talonflame, Rare, and the last card is an Styraptor non-hollow. Let's see if we can pull another ultra rare. That would be amazing. That would be definitely worth the box. So yeah, let's see if we can pull it. I hope so. Fingers crossed. 4 from the back. Amazing rare card would also be awesome. Don't miss Trumbake. And if you like this video, please leave a like. And if you want to know, want to see more, subscribe. If you have any questions, then don't leave a comment. The reverse rare is an Hero's Medal, and the last card is a Barraskewda, not hollow. Last pack, code card for you guys. Let me know if you get something awesome. I'm always interesting. Always keen to know. Fighting Energy, Alistar, Cramorant, Nessa, Shupit, Puchena, Voltorb, old school looking vibes, Rockruff, Tello, and the last card is a Charmander. Oh, not the last card, but amazing artwork. The last card is an Jolteon, okay, non-holo, too bad. But Jolteon always nice. Well, at least we got the holo GX from this box. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please leave a like, and yeah, I see you next time. Have a nice day. See ya!